Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to find duplicate element from a list. That is, we will be given a list and we are interested into finding that one element which is duplicate. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So let's suppose that we have got this list of marks. So the agenda of this video is to get 66 as output, because we can clearly see that 66 is the only element which repeats or whose duplicate is present. So the logic that we are going to apply is we will create an empty list again, which would be a unique list, and in that list we will try to put the value one by one. But before putting the value, we will check if that value is already present in that list. If that value is already present in that list which we are trying to put, that means that one is the actual repeated value. So we will print that. So let me first of all write the code so that we can understand it better. So in order to understand this code in a very better manner, let's move to a drawing sheet. So in this you can clearly see that this is the replication of the entire program that we wrote. We declared a list called marks which is containing the values which was there, and then we have created one empty list which is unique marks, and this is the overall looping how it is, how it was written over there. Now I would suggest you, and I am assuming this fact that you are aware of how a for loop works in Python. But if you don't have any idea or if you have any confusion regarding for loop, then in the description box we are providing you the link to the dedicated video wherein we explained how a for loop works in Python. So you can, before actually moving directly with this, you should check out with that. Now let's move to this part. So we can see that we have got a list of marks, right. You can see that we have got a list of marks like this. Now what we are doing is we are first of all trying to iterate into this marks. So let's say when the value was this, right, that is what we are telling for. So we are basically iterating in this marks. So for the first time the value of I would be what, it would be 22. Now the iteration will move to this line. So it will check if I is not in unique marks. So you can clearly say, you can clearly see that is I which is 22 present in this. Then you will say that no, it's not present. So what it will do, so it will then, since it is true, so it will move to this part. So it will run what, so it will say to append the value of I into unique marks. So let's append it, that is let's write 22 into this. Now what will happen, now the iteration will move, will it move to the else part? Then no, it won't, because it already went to the if true condition, right? So the now the value of I will be updated. So it will be updated to what, it will be updated to 62. Sorry, it will be updated to 66. Now again it will come to this condition and it will check if 66 is present. That is, if 66 is not present in unique marks, is it true? Then yeah, it's true. Then what it will do, it will append the value of 66 into this unique array. So let's append it. So let's append 66 into this, right? Now what will happen, now the value of I will get updated to the next one. So now the value of I is 43. Again the loop will check that if 43 is not present in unique marks, is 46 not present? Then yeah, it's not present. Then it will tell to append 46 or 43, actually 43 into this list. So let's append 43. Okay, now we have appended the value of 43 into this. Now again what will happen, now again the value of I will be updated to 66. Now it will come to this condition and it will check if 66 is not present in unique marks. But it's not true. Why? Because 66 is present. So instead of moving to the true part, the condition will move to the else's part, right? Now it will simply do what, it will simply print the duplicate is 66 and it will break out through the loop. So this is how the overall program is working in this. Now let's run it, and first of all gets back to our editor and let's run this program to see everything working. So let's run this program, and over here you can see that the duplicate element is 66, right? Now let's try out with some other value, let that value be 22, and boom, here you can see that the duplicate element is 22. So this is how we can write the program in Python to find duplicate element present in a list. I hope you enjoyed the video, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.